How to take Google Form responses. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Press Launch any web browser. Click on the search icon at top right corner of your screen and now you can search for Google Form and press Enter on your keyboard. Sorry. Then after that you will land on this interface where you can easily see the link of Google Form. So let's click on the first link of Google Forms. Make sure you have signed into your account. So if you have created any Google form, you can easily open it. And then you will land on this section. So when you click on responses next to questions, you will easily get the number of responses if anyone has responded to your questionnaire or the Google form that you have sent to the peoples. If you have got any responses, you can easily link to see it and view that responses as well. So in this way, you can easily check the responses on Google Form. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.